What's up, everybody? In this video, I'll be talking about WKHS and its potential to run all the way to $80. And who knows where it can run after we saw GME running this high. Who knows what's going to happen with the WKHS, I'm sorry. So what is actually happening with these stocks? Those are short squeezes. All right. So what is short squeeze? It is when a stock has a lot of shorters currently. So if this stock has been shorted a lot currently, and if stock starts to go up, these people are going to have to cut their losses. And how are they cutting losses if they're in short position? Then they're going to have to cover it by buying it. So if it was me in short position, I would definitely my stop loss above 40.45, because if it gets crossed, it's going to go who knows how high. So there's going to be so many buyers from each side. So there's a group of people who's been watching this stock like me and who's not even in the position, and I'll be planning to buy when it crosses it if there's a good setup there, of course. But that's gonna be good entry. And there's a group of people that are long here. So where are they gonna take the profits? They're not gonna take the profits if the stock continue going higher. They're also gonna buy more. All right. And that third group of people are the short sellers, and they're definitely gonna sell. They're definitely gonna buy stock because it is actually really good to cut a losses quickly, because this is gonna shoot who knows where. All right, the same thing is happening with FUBO currently. I just got the alert that it goes up. This is probably gonna be good to buy already, but I always like to have the confirmation to buy it. All right, so there's a lot of plays, always something like this, always those two over shorted stocks that are going to get squeezed. All right, so what is expected here to happen? We're expecting to hit 40.5, and then a lot of people are going to have their stop losses cut. There's going to be so many buyers in interest, so many buyers that are going to want to buy the stock, and it already is going up, as you can see. This is clearly nice uptrend. This can also be like ascending triangle, because we are having these higher lows all the time. So this is ascending triangle. It's gonna be crazy what's gonna happen there. After it breaks, first it's gonna try to break 38, then it's gonna try to break 40, then it's gonna try to break 40.45. So how can you actually check what's the short float of the stock? Go to the finviz.com, type the name of your stock, and look here, short float, it is 30%, and it's awesome for uh, for any stock to have 30% short float. All right, so it's gonna have to be, it's all gonna be, squeezed. So it's gonna be a huge short squeeze. The same thing happened with AMC, which I was predicted in my group here. All right, we were planning to buy above 5.20. Why above 5.20? Because it was last high. And not only here, it was the last high for the last 6 months. All right, if you look at it, was tested a lot of times. Not gonna, yeah, can you see it here? About five. So $5 were tested a lot of times. Here in the last days, here, let me show you. This is where the major resistance was after it broke 5. So this is gonna have to be broken. Why didn't it shoot up right then? Because there wasn't volume in the pre-market. All right. So what happened there? Started to go up just a little bit, and after hours it went up like 20%. Then again, it gapped up at a pre-market, it went really high, then a little bit sold off, people were taking their profits, then it shoot up again. All right, so the same thing should be happening with FUBO. Let's see what's going on today there. Yeah, it's going really nicely up. Those shorts are gonna get squeezed. All right, the same thing with the SRNE. All right, it has to break $17 for shorts to start getting squeezed. Okay, this is probably some of the shorts were squeezed as well. but people are certainly waiting for when it's 100% that it's done for them to take the profits. They're certainly going to take losses, and that's how it actually is happening. Right, come back to this video and hit like when this actually happens. Of course, I might not be right about anything. That's why we had risk management. That's why we lose less than we win. Okay, so the same thing happened with INO today. Why did I buy it? I traded it. I alerted in my Discord group. What is the short float of INO? Let me see. The short float is 33%. And what happened here? We had a resistance that was tested a few times. It was actually, let me go to the bigger time frame. Yeah. So this was, no, I gotta go to the 1 year. Yeah, this is where I drew it. So this is kind of a resistance, obviously, $14. And if I go to the 5 minute 5 minute charts, we can see that this is the actual resistance, 14.44. So we could actually buy above 14. We could actually buy above here. We would be right in both situations. That's what I traded today. I actually took around 6%. I wanted to lock some profits today. So I took that much, but this is the potential of the trade, and it's only because it was short squeezed. Okay, it's not like this is like awesome performing stock, awesome performing company like Apple. No, it's not. It is just getting short squeezed. All right. Okay, I hope you learned something from this video. Please leave me a like and subscribe, and you can check me out on Instagram. There you can join our Discord group, and I'm going to show you. Go to the Instagram, go line share underline trading, and you can go ahead and click. You can go ahead and click the link in my bio to actually, yeah, right here, to actually join our Discord group and get the access to all that. Hit the follow, and if also I offer educational course where you can learn all the strategies. You can learn, as you can see, how to find stocks using the stock screener, scanner, trading mechanics, trading strategies, trading indicators, technical analysis, risk management, position sizing, trading psychology. So all of these can be accessed. Also, I offer mentorship one-on-one, which is offered by ours. Yeah, this is what happened today. Let me show you. Yeah, HL for the example today went really nice. NIO was alerted at 13.9, as you can see in my Discord group, and it went really high. Later it went even nicer, and that's it, guys. Hope you liked the video, and see you in the next